Hello, Sherman. My name is Avi Ben David, and I'm the CEO of Los Angeles, which is a division of Mulholland Security. We've been around since 1994, and we're an A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau, which will work for you. Some of our commercial accounts are Trader Joe's, Burbank Airport, Ripley's Museum, Target, UCLA, and about 40% of the management companies around town doing business with us. We're doing a lot of homeowner associations and thousands of homeowners. We employ only great technicians. Anybody who works for us must be a great person, accommodator, kind, and nice, so it will work well for you and our clients are going to have great communication with us. I personally guarantee the service to you. I personally guarantee you're going to get a fair price and great service. And please give us a call now. Pick up the phone and call 800-LOCKS-70. 800-LOCKS-70. Welcome and thank you.